Let's get my new scroll saw hooked up and set up. What do you say? This plywood cabinet door is at least as old as I am. It came out of the wing of the house years ago. That wing was built in 1954. Still had the busted pole on it and the hinges. I'm gonna run it through my drum sander and trim it down and run it through my drum sander, and I'm gonna use this as the mount for my new scroll saw. You don't see plywood like that anymore. And it's mounted. And quiet. I don't know what it sounds like cutting wood yet, but it's quiet. And there is no vibration. This thing will pass the nickel test easy. I don't have a nickel, or I'd show you. And that's how quiet it is. Let's speed it up a little. Still no appreciable vibration. That's wide open. I can live with that. If I had one complaint, it would simply be that there's no dust collection port for this. So the only thing I have left to do is come up with some kind of dust collection nozzle to bolt right there, and that'll be it. And I can get busy. So thanks for watching this first video on my new channel. I really appreciate it. I just really do. Please like, subscribe, share, all that social media stuff. Help me get this channel out there so people can see it other than just me. I really appreciate it again. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. You never know what kind of weirdness we're going to get into around here. And remember, live, laugh, and love. And y'all come back.